I didn't know it was so many internet dietitians. You got your degree in health, baby? Because why the fuck do y'all care what another person eating their home? What they're grocery shopping? What the fuck they're buying? Why does it matter to you? You ain't eating it. If I want to be a big back bitch and I want to buy big back bitch shit, let me do that for my household. Why does it matter to you? And so what? I use food stamps, bitch. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to swipe that card every motherfucking time. To Karen and Tom, fed is best. I don't know why it matters to you what people eat in their homes. Why does it matter to you? You're not picking it up. You're not buying it. You're not supplying it. Why does it matter? And if I don't want to buy no fruits and no vegetables, bitch, that's my business. It's my household. Why are you mad? Why are you past that? All of a sudden, you want to be a motherfucking vegetarian, bitch. You was just eating pork last week. Shut up.